What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to email to multiple people on Gmail. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first open your Gmail, and if you want to compose a message, just click this compose right here. And for example, I can just put a random subject, also a random text. So let's just okay, to the mystery. Okay. So if I want to send this text to different people, I can just put their email right here in two. So just put their emails. So this text will be sent to this email. If I want to add another person, I can just enter another email. As long as you have their email, people you want to send a message with, is that you can add them to your recipient. So that's basically it. That's how you send multiple emails on multiple people. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.